Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to recover your Clash Royale account. So if you also want to recover your Clash Royale account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, let's open your Clash Royale application. You can see over here Clash Royale is opened. Now what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner. Now you can see several options over here. At second last, you can see option for settings. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here settings will be opened. You can see several options over here. If you look at the bottom, you can see option for help and support. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see several options. At first you can see option for account. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see four options: account security, recover your account, Supercell ID, access or delete your data. You have to tap on the second option, that is recover your account. Simply tap on the plus sign that you can see right next to recover your account. Now you can see over here several options will pop up. At first there is option for I've lost access to my account. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Read these informations very carefully. They will suggest you how you can recover your account. Here you can see option for lost access. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the Clash Royale support. Here you'll have to answer these questions. The first question is, what is the player tag of your lost account? You have to enter your player tag. Tap on the box right over here. Now enter your player tag. Now you'll have to enter the name of your lost account. Now you'll have to enter the trophy count. You can see over here the trophy counts would be from 0 to 9000. Now you have to enter the name of the clan which you belong to. Now you can see submit option over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after you've provided these informations, they'll try to find your account, and after they find your account, they will proceed to recover your account. So that way you can recover your account. Go back. You might also be able to get your account back yourself. All you have to do is search through your email accounts for any messages mentioning Supercell ID. This will help you find the email you attached to your Supercell ID. Once you know the email, enter the game settings and tap the Supercell ID option. Then select login and enter your email address. Then you will receive a verification code while logging in, and then you'll be able to recover your account. So that is how you recover your Clash Royale account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.